YouTube friends, my name is Sorangel and welcome to my YouTube channel, So Chic, So Cheap. On this channel, we do all kinds of decor, whether it be for your home or for a party, and we do all of it on a tiny budget. So if you like to save, then you've come to the right place. So today is September 1st, and to me, September represents fall, and I love fall. So I can't wait any longer. Today, you're gonna come on a journey with me, and we're gonna decorate my living room for fall. So my main project for my living room was this DIY basket wall. I love the colors, I love the textures. I also really like how organic it looks. And remember, when you're doing your basket wall, it's really up to you how wide you want it, how tall you want it, the colors and textures you want to use. As long as you're creative, there are no rules to your basket wall. And the great thing about it is, it's very forgiving. If you ever want to add to it, you can. All right, so here we are at Savers, one of my favorite places in the world. And we have, look at this basket. Look at the detail on this basket, and it's only $2.99. That's mine. I'm taking that home. Then we have this one. I just love how it has the different tones of brown, and then like the price, $1.99. You cannot beat these prices. This one looks like a little nest. Again, only $2. That's definitely something I'm taking home. So here we are at a local thrift store in Boston. I got this whole stack for only $4. That was a steal. This next basket I loved. I loved the detail, and it was only $1. Here we are at TJ Maxx Home Goods, and they had an awesome selection of throw blankets in lots of colors and lots of different styles for only $16.99. Here we are at Savers, and I happened to stumble upon these great feather pillows for only $4.99. They're soft and trendy. All right, let's get ready to decorate. So here I am just arranging my baskets, kind of just playing around with the style and the different sizes. So when I'm ready to mount them, I already have it all laid out. I highly recommend you do the same. It just makes the mounting process that much easier. So first I cleared off my walls, and then I started to kind of map out where I wanted my basket wall to begin and kind of where I wanted it to end. How wide I wanted it, just to get a feel for what it was gonna look like. My first attempt was with a regular old tack, and let me tell you, that did not work. So do not try tacks. So when the tacks didn't work, I decided to go with a nail, and that worked so much better. It was so much faster and a lot more sturdy. I don't know why I didn't just start with the nails. By the way, this is Mama, my grandmother. She's 85 years old and loves arts and crafts. So you'll see her in lots of my videos. She's always around when I'm doing one of my projects. We're almost done with our basket wall. Here I just kind of stepped back, and I realized that the bottom felt like it needed another basket. However, I didn't want to use one of the ones that I already had. I felt like I needed kind of like a different style one, just to give it a little bit more variation and make the piece a little bit more interesting. Always remember, this is your basket wall, and you can style it any way you'd like. If you come across a basket you really like and it has a handle, simply cut it off. Whoa, decorating is dangerous. I recommend you take a step back and just see if there's anything missing, just to make your basket wall complete. And now for the finishing touches. Simple changes like swapping out a throw blanket can make a room feel so different, so much cozier. My color palette for this year was originally emerald green, mustard, and gold, but I stumbled upon these purple pillows at Savers for only $4.99, and I just had to get them and incorporate them into my design. 'Cause why not? Save your money and swap your art. You'd be surprised how different an art piece can look in another room. There are no specific rules to decorating and designing, as long as the space feels homey and yours. Decorating doesn't have to be expensive. So chic, so cheap. The Lord is my portion, says my soul. Therefore, I hope in him. God bless you guys.